Hello, welcome to Rod's Whiskey, where we give a damn about the dram. Today we're going back to Knob Creek, specifically the Knob Creek Kentucky Straight Bourbon, aged for 9 years, coming in at 100 proof. Again, this is regular Knob Creek, 9-year age statement, 100 proof. Let's give it a taste. All right, I'm gonna give this one the Rod's Whiskey Double. Damn sweet and damn smooth. Again, that's Knob Creek, aged 9 years, coming in at 100 proof. Rod's Whiskey Double. Damn sweet and damn smooth. Again, thanks for stopping by for this very quick whiskey review. If you like the content, please like and subscribe. Cheers.